Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best inline skates that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Rollerblade Zetrablade Inline Skate. Rollerblade Zetrablade Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate offers unrivaled comfort and support for the beginner skater. These men's rollerblades have exceptional grip and roll with ease. They also have a supportive low balance shell to help keep you on your feet, and the secure, convenient enclosure means these skates will stay snugly on your feet. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Blade Runner by Rollerblade Advantage Pro XT Men's Inline Skate. Blade Runner by Rollerblade Advantage Pro XT Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate makes skating a dream, even for novices. The integrated composite frame provides a lower center of gravity for added stability, and the skates themselves are top quality and durable. The padding offers comfort not usually found in skates, so you are sure to feel like you are gliding on clouds. If you are also a skateboard enthusiast, be sure to check out our guide to the best skateboard shoes. At number 3, we have the VNLA Carbon Speed Rollerblades. If you ask seasoned skaters what they want in professional inline skates, they will probably describe VNLA Carbon Speed Rollerblades. Firstly, these skates are suitable for indoors and outdoors, making them the go anywhere skates. The vanilla ABEC9 racing bearings enable you to speed along like the lightning bolt, making them perfect for racing or just speeding around town. High-quality materials are used in the making of these skates, making them super comfortable, and they require a minimal amount of time to break them in. The lower cuffs also facilitate lots of tricky moves, and the high rebound wheels let you glide over almost anything. They also come in some great colors to help you stand out from the pack. At number 2, we have the Rollerblade Zetrablade Elite Men's Inline Skate. Next up, we've got the Rollerblade Zetrablade Elite Men's Inline Skate. Designed for beginner and intermediate skaters, this is an affordable but high-quality 4-wheel skate. Users have noted that it's super comfortable thanks to the thick lining and padding on the inside. Unlike high-performance skates, this is really designed for casual skating. However, it's no slouch either. It offers amazing grip and roll, like all rollerblade skates do, because of the premium wheel bearings. If you're just getting into inline skating, this is one of the best skates on the market. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rollerblade Maxxum Edge 90 Men's Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Maxxum Edge 90 is one of the high-end inline skates in the rollerblade range. Designed for intermediate to advanced skaters, it costs more than the other rollerblade skates we've featured. That extra cost buys you some of the best wheels and bearings in the business: 90mm 85A wheels, Twincam ILQ7+. You also get an ultra-sturdy aluminum frame that can be adjusted laterally if you want to lower the center of gravity. Also, despite being a performance skate, the Rollerblade Maxxum Edge 90 has an amazingly comfortable liner that fits the anatomical shape of your foot and provides shock absorption in the heel.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.